I don't know what you know about meditation, but it has been one of the most important things in my life that I've ever practiced as a skill. Hello, I'm Dan Clark, and welcome to 2 Minutes of Inspiration. It's good to have you with me today. Meditation is something different than I thought it was when I was a kid, because we're taught that it wasn't really smart, it wasn't a good thing because of Eastern religion, grew up in the church. But actually, meditation is actually meditating about you. It's about thinking about who you are and where you're going and what you're doing. It's thinking about things that are happening around you to be able to pay better attention to what's actually going on the inside of you, not on the outside of you. So meditation has lots and lots of value. And when I started practicing meditation about 8 years ago, it has truly changed my life. I will do an hour or two on the weekends, and sometimes every day I do an hour or so, but I meditate almost every single day at some level. And that's because I'm closing my eyes and listening to music. Sometimes it's guided meditation, sometimes it's not. And I am thinking about what they're saying or about me, listening to my deeper voice and what's really happening on the inside of me. And that's why it's so transformational. I want to encourage you to think about meditation. Look up meditation and look for a YouTube meditation, or look for a book on meditation, or I don't know, wherever you're at and whatever's going on in your world, think about embracing some form of meditation, because it's the best way to actually learn how to manage the energy inside your head. But I want to encourage you to at least do some meditation this week by taking about 10 minutes and closing your eyes and just quietly listening to the things that are happening around you and listen to your deeper voice. I love you. I'm Dan Clark.